an amazing day with you guys, and yeah, I will see you in the next episode.
YouTube, it's your girl Shay Vibes coming into you with another exciting video. If this is the first time that you come across my channel, welcome. Make sure that you rate, comment, and subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, thanks so much for all of your support. But before we get into the hair product review, I'm going to revert your attention to an Amazon review. I want to give you a brief disclaimer. The model that you'll see featured in this particular video is under the age of 10 years old. I would suggest this particular product that's being reviewed and also demoed on the child model. I would suggest that that product be used on a child that is at least 13 years old, 13 years or older. That way, that's a child that has a little bit more, a little bit more control over putting on their mask and for comfort and making sure the mask is on safely. So please enjoy the review. YouTube, it's your girl Shay Vibes, and I have a very special guest here. We have my son Vibes, and he's going to be reviewing. Amazon vendor ft.LEONYERI sent us some of the kids' bondage masks, and I figured why not allow my son to demo those for the younger children. A lot of the kids are back in school, so we want to make sure our children are being safe and wearing their masks. They sent us a total of 2 masks. They came in the Amazon manila envelopes. Direct links, if you're interested in purchasing, will be listed below in the description box. But it's all about him reviewing these masks. So which one did you want to start with first? Which color you like best? Because they're basically going to be the same. I'll open both, but which we will see these 2 colors. Which color you like?
I like this one.
Okay. So we're going to go with more of the army fatigue. Wears the mask where you have to clutch them behind the ear, but these are the Bandage, the full face mask, to where he'll just slide this over his head, and it looks like this. It looks like a tube. So what you think about that?
That looks kind of cool, actually.
Okay, it looks like a tube, and what we're going to do is we're going to take it and put it over his head. Okay, so it looks like this around the neck. You see that? And then what you can do is you will pull it up. Make sure their nose can even cover the ears, really, is covered. Is that comfortable? How does that feel?
It looks kind of action.
What you say?
I said it looks kind of action.
Why are you so stiff? Can you talk with it on or what? Take it down and put it up yourself. Go ahead, take it down, and I want you to put it up yourself.
Okay.
And you can make sure your ears is in it. Would you feel comfortable wearing something like this to school every day?
Yeah.
I see a few kids at your school walking with these. So here, just got to make sure your eyes, you just definitely want to make sure that the nose and mouth is covered. That's how it looks. And in the wintertime, it'd be great to cover the ears as well. So can you talk comfortably with this? Are you breathing okay with it? I mean, how does it feel on?
Well, it feels okay. I'm breathing.
But are you able to talk okay? Could you sit in class with that all day? Is that comfortable?
Well, it is.
1 to 10. How comfortable is it?
10.
Oh, so you would wear that all day in school and be okay with it?
Uh-huh.
Also, some other ways that you can wear this mask. They said you could wear it as a neck gainer, and that's how when it was down here around his neck. For Lloyd, it looks like a ponytail. I'll list the different descriptions on here, how they show you can actually wear it as a wristband, as a headband, etc., etc., etc. But we wanted to come in and show you guys. Anything else you want to share with any kids that may run across this video and thinking about doing a bandage mask?
Okay, so those masks in school were really comfortable, and that was like the most awesome thing ever. So yeah, I like masks. Masks are the most things in the world you should have. Check the link below if you're interested in purchasing. Peace.
If you follow the channel, you'll know that maybe about 2 months ago, Curlbox had an Ulta and CurlBox collaboration where they had about 5 products in that box. And I said I would do a series and review each one of them. I believe this is my 3rd or 4th product that I'm reviewing for that box, and that's going to be the leave-in conditioner for Mixed Chicks. As I mentioned before, this was by far, when I first decided to do the big chop, this was by far one of my favorite leave-in conditioners. It was a bit pricey. I'll leave the price for this size. This one that came in the box is a 6.7. They do have one that I believe is a little bit bigger, but it was a little pricey. But it always gave my hair an amazing, it really helped to define the curl, and I love the way my hair felt. So what I did this particular time, I washed and I shampooed with my Mael shampoo and conditioner, the pomegranate and honey line. If you're interested to see what I thought of these 2 products, I do have a product review. I'll leave the direct link for that video below in the description box. And then I use the Mixed Chicks. Okay, my hair is freshly washed and conditioned. I'll share with you what I use to wash and condition the hair, but the star of the show is the Mixed Chicks Leave-In Conditioner, the curl defining blend for multiple textures, whether you're black, white, Latin, Asian, Mediterranean, any glorious combination. This lightweight product locks moisture into curls, waves, and weaves. Work a generous portion of Mixed Chicks throughout the hair, leave-in, air dry, and style is normal. I was going to do a wash and go. Oh, looks like they have this product sealed. I was going to do a wash and go on the hair, but I have since decided that I am going to do a chunky twist out and put my rods on the ends. Okay, looks like this. This one used to be one of my favorite products. It smells so nice. Reminds me of when I had first cut my hair off and did a big chop. This used to be one of my favorite products back in the day. I haven't used this product probably, for 10 years. I thought about doing a wash and go, but since I've done several wash and goes lately in my last few videos, I've decided that I'm going to style the hair. And I'm going to use another unique product from the Mixed Chicks brand that I had never used before or even had heard of. It's basically like the styler. And when I smelled it, it just reminded me of when I first big chopped my hair and using this product. It has a really pretty soft floral smell to it. It has a nice creamy consistency. So what I did, you'll notice in the video, is I used a large amount of this, putting this through the hair. I used to do a lot of wash and goes because I love the way it really defined the hair. What I had decided to do, because I had recently did so many wash and goes on the channel, I went ahead and I used this as a leave-in. And I also had this Mixed Chicks. I had never heard of this. This is the Morning After Redefining Foam. It's a mousse, the resolution for flat, dull, next day hangover hair. No need to rewash your hair. Instead, emerge those curls with Mixed Chicks Morning After Redefine Foam. Take a few shots and apply it to dry hair. Bring curls back to life. I actually use this. This is a small bottle. This is a 3.4 ounce. I picked this up when I went to the it was a Kingston Curls event here in Atlanta, Georgia. I'll leave the direct link. I did vlog that, and I believe I also did like a mini haul. But I was on the VIP, so I received one of the gift bags, and it included this, and I remember how I love the leave-in, so I use this over this just basically as a styler. It does say you can use the morning after, so I will actually use this as a refresher. I wanted to come in and show you before I even take my rods down. Check out the pattern, check out how defined my hair looks and how waved it is before I even take it down. One of the great things I love about the Mixed Chicks leave-in conditioner is it always gave me a really nice, defined curl pattern. Check that out. So I'm going to take these down and I'll be back. But these are the results, and I showed you what the hair look like before I even took it out. But look how defined my hair is. It's very, very soft. It's very, very light. Very, very bouncy. I like the loose look of it. Very, very soft and lightweight. See, this is the way I love my hair to look. I just did a simple 2-strand twist. And then I took my rods and I added my rods to the end. Very simple, sweet. So I would highly suggest this. I mean, it does say it's multi textures. I have always loved this product on my hair. Like I mentioned before, you know, it is a little pricey, but it does do the job as a leave-in. Probably one of my favorites besides the Design Essential. So if you run across this channel and you've used the Mixed Chicks products, let me know how it worked on your hair. Does it work well on your texture hair? Do you use it as a leave-in for a wash and go, or do you use it as your under a styling product? As always, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.